Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to easily change your password on the Zangi app. This guide will help you update your account security quickly and safely. Whether you want to enhance your privacy or simply reset a forgotten password. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner. Then select Profile from the list of options. After that, select Change Password to begin updating your login credentials. Now enter your new password carefully, making sure it is strong and secure. Then type the same password again in the Confirm New Password field to ensure accuracy. Finally, click on Continue to save the changes and update your account with the new password. Following these steps ensures you stay safe and maintain control over your personal information. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.